Looking for more privacy on Snapchat? This guide shows you disable ad preferences on your Android device. Opening the Snapchat app on your Android device and signing in if you haven't already. Once you're on the main camera screen, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon located in the upper left corner. This will take you to your profile page where you can access your account settings. Next, tap the settings icon in the upper right corner. Scroll through the settings menu until you find privacy controls or manage my account, depending on the version of Snapchat installed on your phone. From there, tap ads and then select ad preferences. You'll see several advertising options that influence how Snapchat personalizes the ads shown to you. Turn off every available option, including audience-based ads, activity-based ads, and third-party ad networks. Disabling these settings helps limit the data used to deliver personalized advertisements, giving you greater privacy while using the app. Once you've switched off the available options, you can simply leave the settings page. Snapchat saves your preferences automatically, so no additional confirmation is required. It's worth noting that these changes won't eliminate ads from Snapchat. Instead, the ads you see may become less tailored to your interests and online activity. This is a useful setting for anyone who prefers a more private experience without affecting the app's core features. Hope this helped. See you in the next tutorial.